Toyota Philippines has always prided itself in being at the forefront of grassroots motorsports here in the Philippines, and the Gazoo Racing Academy is proof of this. We are at the Clark International Speedway to kick off Toyota Philippines and Gazoo Racing's 2022 motorsports season. Come join us. We're going to drive a few cars and see what we can learn at the Gazoo Racing Academy. This looks expensive, huh? Alright, one of the requirements of before heading out on a race, of course, safety gear. You got your helmet right here. We're just gonna borrow this. No worries, these are well sanitized before use, and we got these head socks and everything. You've seen this on the channel before. It's the Toyota Vios Cup car. It's basically a regular 1.5G manual transmission Toyota Vios, but it's got all the works. It's got alloy wheels, OMP accessories. It's even got Sparko accessories as well for you to get ready with your racing. It's lowered a little bit, and the inside has basically been gutted out for weight saving. So if you want to race at the Toyota Vios Cup, you need to get one of these things, and make sure that you ask Toyota nicely. They'd probably be giving you one of these cars right away. So they had to let us choose between a manual transmission and automatic. Of course, I picked the manual. I think the best way to experience racing, autocross racing, is with a manual transmission. But if you don't know how to drive manual, that's fine. They have CVT options here as well, the Gazoo Racing Academy. Alright, so what this is the braking test. This part of the course lets you familiarize yourself with the braking system of your car. So what happens is that we bring the Toyota Vios to up to 80 kilometers per hour at full throttle. Once you hit a certain point, you smash on the brakes in order to activate the ABS. The reason behind this is, like I said, you need to familiarize yourself with how your car runs and stops in order, if you want to survive and reach the end of the track, or even actually win a race, you gotta know how this works. So that's the reason why we're doing this.
Because of Gazoo Racing Academy, I felt like a better driver because I now know the dynamics of a vehicle, like what will happen if I slam on the brakes this way, or if like how I modulate the throttle and stuff like that. I feel very knackered because of all the G-forces with the car turning, braking, accelerating. I don't have the physical fitness for racing, but it's an experience today. I'm excited for the Vios Cup Autocross, yes, but to think that I will win it all, I know I'll set my goals realistically. As long as I don't finish last again. It's like this is our unofficial practice laps today. I feel better prepared for the upcoming race.
So what you're seeing right now is the slalom test, where we take the Toyota Vios Cup car around the track, around some obstacles, and then doing a U-turn at the end, going back through those obstacles, and then hitting and braking end. It's actually an amazing and exhilarating experience that I'm sure you guys are going to enjoy if you sign up for the Gazoo Racing Academy. It was pretty jarring and can get a little bit knackering because of the G-forces that's going to attack your body all throughout the different obstacles on the slalom, but this will make you ready for what's coming up later on, the hot lap section. Tayo ba yung 7 para tayo? Wala yung 6 eh.
Actually, for me, I'm no spring chicken, so it was more of a refresher course for me. And yes, I did have fun, lots of fun actually, and glad to know that I still have it. Have it. Well, it's much too early to predict. I'll admit I'm happy with the result, but of course, it's just a practice day at the end of the day. But it's something to probably take forward when the real competition begins. So I hope I can keep that up and maybe even build on it. As I was telling my partner in the car, this is something, and she's a young driver, and this is something that anyone can actually learn from. Sure, the track is much different from the road, but certain habits or even an appreciation of stuff like ABS and other relevant matters, they can bring with them in terms of understanding how they're supposed to drive or how features work on the road. Yeah.
So as you can see there, after the braking test, we did a couple of other exhibitions. So we did a slalom test, and then the finale of the day, we did a hot lap where we used the Toyota Vios Cup car around the track for 4 laps in a convoy, still not an actual race, but it was pretty amazing where we actually practiced everything that we learned, like the braking test, the apex, finding the perfect racing line. It's pretty great, guys. And I switched over to the 5-speed manual transmission from the CVT, and it was just everything that I could have had dreamed of. So there you have it, folks. That's our experience at the Gazoo Racing Academy. I've certainly learned a lot today, and it's made me ready for this year's Vios Cup. What do you think? Do you have what it takes to take on the Vios Cup? If you do, sign up for the Gazoo Racing Academy right now, and I'm sure that you'll be able to learn a lot of things as well. The link will be in the description below for you to find out more about this and how you can sign up. There's going to be a great article there. It's going to be a blast, guys. Thanks so much for watching. If you love this video, leave us a like and make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification icon so you won't miss any of our videos. This is Roy Robles from ZigWheels.Ph, and I'll see you guys next time.